Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial video. In this video I'll show that how to fix YouTube video unavailable problem on YouTube. Solve this problem. Go to step by step. First, open your phone setting. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. Step 2. Open Play Store. Open Play Store. Update on YouTube application. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search YouTube application. Then tap on storage. Then tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. Open your YouTube application. Press on YouTube. Then solve this problem. YouTube video unavailable problem is many reason. The video was removed or deleted by the uploader. Solve this problem or issues. Thank you for watching this video. This video helpful for us. Please like and subscribe my channel.